So I wanted to make a quick video for y'all because this mower's been down for me for more than it's been running actually, and I fiddled with it a bunch. And I mean, I got the top off, and I'm not going to say all the dumb things I done to it, but um, what the problem turns out was probably um, not having to spend any money at all. Is the first thing you want to do is simple check your fuel line going from your tank to your motor. There, yeah, sorry, there's a lot of light. I can't see what I'm pointing at here. Okay, here we go. So I took this off, and I tried to blow through this. I tried to blow through this. I couldn't at all. It was very, very resistant. And I thought, well, if I can't put air through there at all, then how's the fuel gonna just gradually feed through there? With gravity feed, essentially. So just two Phillips screws right here, and same on the other side. This gravity will kind of help it just fall down for you. You just unplug this first too. It's very easy. And but inside here, at the bottom of this ball kind of thing, bell I guess, there's a little spring, a little rubber springy thing that lets the fuel come through and go into the tank. It's like a stop valve, I guess you could call it. Anyways, mine was real corroded, so I took some starter fluid after I took all this down, and just be real gentle. Because there's like a piston or a shaft, I guess, where the fuel goes through. That's real thin, real small. It's smaller than a straw, like half the size of a straw thickness, but thicker than this, but not much. And that's what the fuel goes through. And anyway, just make sure everything's clean and working good, and then put it back together. That's what I did, and it works. And it works great now. And yeah, I hope that helps you. And if not, another thing I did is this was all rusty right here, and this is where the motor spins, and right here is the ignition coil. So, and you can, if you look closely right here, you see the gap right here, this little gap right there. If you replace it, you want to make sure you leave just a little gap. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I mean, mine's working pretty good. So it picks up the energy as it spins like an electromotor or electromagnet, and transfers it to the spark plug, which this is the spark plug cable going to the spark plug over there. And so yeah, those are some things to consider. Hope they're easy fixes for you. Hope it helps you out. And I made a couple longer videos too, going over some of this stuff. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about it.